Welcome back, Lethal Samurai, back for a new YouTube video. Today, I'll show you by the title up there. It's the Lego. It's how to make awesome modded Lego gun. Now, I mean, kind of these little Star Wars plastic guns, even tactical. So let's get on to the review. First thing you want to do, get one of these flick missile projectiles. Attach it to the front, get longer. After that, you want to get, sorry about the breathing in the background, that's my older brother. You want to get two of these, two. Pop them on like this. But that's not it. Let's keep going. After you've done that, you want to put these acting gold, because that's the only type I have. I have some stuff as I just don't know where they are. And then you want to get kind of wrench pieces. You want to kind of that little part there. You want to get that, and you want to, so now it looks like this. And once you've done that, this is called the blue diamond. You get a blue diamond, you attach it to the end. The blue diamond. Then you want to get a knife. So what's that kind of knife? The one that works on the bipods. So now it looks like this. And you want to get blue tack. What else? It's about that big. Not big. And then you want to get one of these. Lying around it, and you want to wrap around that. Just want to slowly cure it. Wrap it around the tip. So I'm going to get that. Touch it. Sorry about the glue, that's also my brother. And then you want to attach it to the side there. Now it looks like this. I'm now doing Lego commissions. So send me the Lego parts and pay me $10, and I'll make you any Lego commission. But I'll try, and I will also do the painting for you. Goodbye. And let me show you, but before I say that, let me minifigure holding it, the gun. See? I'm picking out a random minifigure, and there he is holding it. You can see it's a minifigure. Walkie, walkie, walkie. Thanks.